Hi everyone, very welcome back. I came up with another success story where Yagni manifested her desired job within just 1 month, and she was struggling for last 6 to 7 months to get a new job. So I'm going to invite Yagni and let's ask her how she manifested her desired job. So hi Yagni,
Hi,
how are
thank you
you?
for having me. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. चलो, so Yagni, हम सबको बताओ how you have manifested your job because I remember when you came to me 1 month back you were very stressed and आप आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम पूरा हिल चुका था, आपको यही बिलीफ नहीं हो पा रहा था दैट यू कुड मैनिफेस्ट योर जॉब। आप पूरा मतलब आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ही चला गया था। बट देन हाउ यू मैनिफेस्टेड योर जॉब विद इन जस्ट 1 मंथ, व्हाट हैपेंड एग्जैक्टली? बट बिफोर दैट टेल मी वन थिंग, जब आप मेरे पास आए थे, व्हेन यू केम टू मी, यू जॉइन द कोर्स, व्हाट वाज योर इमोशंस, व्हाट वर यू गोइंग थ्रू, क्या चल रहा था लाइफ में?
So it was like back in September 2024 when I graduated, and due to like circumstances, like I did not have a work permit till November, and because of which companies were not relying. Like I was not able to get the interview because I didn't had a work permit. And after November, almost the market shut down till 2 months, and then in February again the hiring process starts. So during that time, the 6 months was like very, I was feeling helpless. I was like, why I'm trying everything and still it's not happening for me? What's the cause? So I was trying to figure out many ways. Like I tried applying to many portals, but it wasn't working somewhere. And then, like I came to your video in Gen Ed, and I was going through few of your Ho'oponopono success story where students were saying that you have helped them really get the full job and everything. So I thought let's give it a try, and I think it was the best decision I have made. You helped me figure out my emotion before getting the job, and during that month you have helped me to work on my new belief patterns that I think I will be carrying for so long now. And it has really empowered me during my career journey. Like 1 month, recent 1 month especially, like I was feeling more of successful, I was feeling more confident, and I wasn't actually worried about finding a job. I was focusing on the money frequency. I was focusing on the practices that we did. I used to do it thrice or twice every day, and I also used to do the affirmations that we did in the starting. And I followed the same path what you said, and like miracles happened. And within 1 month, I was like, "Oh my God, I cracked it!" So that was really amazing.
Yes, I remember when you messaged me that you got your job. I think the last session we had, we were talking about job. You just said that, I have only 1 month rent left. I don't have money now, and I don't know how I'll handle everything if I don't get the job. And I just told that you will get. You already got it. I remember, and even I don't know how I will get it. It's just that we need to work on our energy, our frequency, and baki things is just magic. It will happen if you trust it, and you have proved it because you practiced so well, you followed everything I said, and that is why you got your result. So tell me one more thing, like to all of us, what is that one practice, और क्या वो practice था जो बहुत ज्यादा काम आया, मतलब आपको लगा कि ये practice ने मुझे मतलब बहुत ज्यादा help किया to crack that job or to release all my emotion?
So the one thing that I consistently practiced during these days was money frequency, like customized healing that we did. And I did it like in morning, afternoon, and at night as well. So my frequency remains the same. At the same time, I also practice certain worked on other emotions as well. Like we talked on helplessness and the stuck feeling that I have been feeling since last 6 months. So I consistently work on that as well with the advanced Ho'oponopono.
Advance open.
And yes, which also make me like less desperate about the outcome, and I was actually enjoying the process. It was so amazing, and like for a certain time I completely forgot what's going to happen next. I was like, everything is taken care of from now.
Yes, everything is taken care of. Actually, if you believe it, you will attract it 100%. So yes, actually I want to tell everybody that she joined my VIP session, Healing to Manifested, where we practiced everything, like from basic Ho'oponopono to advanced Ho'oponopono, then breaking patterns, beliefs, affirmation, and of course money healing. We did few session on money, right?
Yes.
And we used to practice together money customized healing. That worked perfectly for you.
Really well.
And yes, it definitely works, because when you upgrade your money frequency, you actually attract money as well as you attract opportunities in your life. And you practice it, I think, twice, thrice in a day. That works perfectly for yourself. So, congratulations. I'm very, very happy that you cracked it, because you were so worried, stressed about it, and finally you cracked it. So, I think more than you, I am happy that you got your job now. So that the intention you had when you came to me, you manifested it. That's the best thing.
Yes.
Now I know you are ready to manifest so many things. There are more to go. We are going to share a lot of success stories, right, Yagni?
Definitely, definitely.
Yes. So before we go, Yagni, if you want to say something to those people who are actually struggling to crack an interview to get a job, कुछ आप बोलना चाहोगे, कुछ advice, anything, any tips?
I would say just work on your frequency, work on yourself first, and things will start falling into its place.
Exactly, 100%. So do not chase the goal. Do not try to fix the problem or the situation. Just focus on your emotion, what you're feeling, what you're believing. Work on those emotions and believe. Upgrade your frequency. Everything will be fine. Nah? So thank you so much, Yagni, for sharing your result with us. And if anybody wants to work with us or anybody wants to connect with me, please contact us. I will share the contact details. Till then, take care. And thank you, Agni. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.